Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect a J1772 charger setup for reliable charging, complete guide step by step clearly. To connect a J1772 charger setup for reliable charging, begin by gathering all necessary equipment. This includes a J1772 charging station, an electric vehicle, and appropriate power supply connections. Ensure the charging station is compatible with your vehicle. Locate a suitable installation site that meets local codes and regulations. Make sure the area is clean and free from debris to ensure safety. If necessary, contact a licensed electrician to assist with installation. Turn off the power supply at the circuit breaker to avoid any electrical hazards. Install the charging station according to the manufacturer's instructions. Use proper tools to securely attach the station to the wall or mounting bracket. Ensure all connections are tight and secure. Connect the power supply wires to the charging station's terminal block as indicated in the manual. Double-check that all wiring is insulated and protected from exposure. Ground the charging station by connecting it to a grounding rod or the building's grounding system. Once installation is complete, restore power at the circuit breaker. Test the charging station by plugging in the J1772 connector. Observe the charging session to ensure the indicator lights function correctly. Make sure your electric vehicle shows that it is accepting a charge. If the station fails to initiate charging, double-check all connections and wiring. Consider consulting a professional if any issues persist. Regularly inspect your charging setup for wear and tear. Ensure the area around the charger remains safe and accessible for future use. Follow any additional manufacturer guidelines to maintain the equipment effectively. By following these steps, you will ensure a reliable charging solution for your electric vehicle. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.